How to use the built-in code editor feature in Cyberdojo. Cyberdojo's editor has several features to help you code efficiently, and let's see how to do it. First, use syntax highlighting to spot errors, the line numbers for navigation, and auto indentation to keep your code organized. You can also copy and paste code snippets, undo mistakes with ctrl plus j, and use search within the editor for large exercises. Learn the keyboard shortcuts for running tests and navigating the editor. It saves time and keeps you focused. Which editor feature do you use the most? Share about it in the comments below. And that's how you can use the built-in code editor features in Cyberdojo. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.